Okay, let's get to it. So many of you are loving your Oliveda products. So many questions about order of operations, how to get the most of your skincare. We're gonna break that down in this video. First up, I'm gonna speak to the skincare guru. Okay, you're the girl that wants to literally bathe yourself in hydroxytyrosol. You wanna just go all in, completely take a nosedive into this whole Oliveda experience. I'm gonna start with you and break down your order of operations here. In the morning, you're gonna give yourself what I like to call a beauty shot. And you're gonna do that with the I-70. It has hyaluronic acid and hydroxytyrosol. And then you're also gonna do the ORAC and Camu Camu. You're gonna do 2 pipettes of this into this. Okay, you're just gonna mix these two together and it's gonna be amazing and your skin is gonna glow from the inside out. If you can't wash your face, you can absolutely take a wellness shot that is going to transform the way that your skin looks. It's going to protect your skin from oxidative stress. It's actually going to absorb free radicals in your body, which damage cells and cause your skin to age. So if the very least, you can absolutely start there. Once you've taken your wellness shot and you're gonna wash your face and do your whole routine, this is the way that it's gonna go. First up, you're gonna use an oil-based cleanser. I have the corrective cleansing oil. There's several different cleansing oils, but this is going to really, especially at the end of the day, break down your makeup. You're gonna apply it to your skin completely dry. Just put the oil into your hand, apply it onto your face, then you're gonna let it set for just a second and you're gonna get it wet and it's gonna kind of emulsify. Get your hands wet, start scrubbing on your face. It's gonna emulsify a little bit. Then you're gonna get a warm washcloth and you're gonna wipe it all away. So this is gonna remove your makeup and just really set the tone for your skincare. After that, you're gonna go in with like a foaming cleanser, okay? I have here the LA Dope. What that's gonna do is just kind of break up any remaining dirt on your skin. You're gonna put that on dry, add water, and it's gonna foam. You're gonna get a really nice, rich, bubbly foam. That's gonna break down any excess oils or excess dirt on your face and just completely remove it to give you a blank slate for all of the goodness that's to come. Then you're gonna go in with one of the tonics. And I really like just like spraying this into my hand like this. And then I just kind of like pat it. I'm not gonna do it because my makeup's done, but pat it into your skin, okay? Help it to just really penetrate your skin. And that is gonna prep your skin. It's gonna balance your pH and it's gonna prep your skin for your serums and your elixirs, which come next. Okay, so after the toner, if you have a mask, you'll go ahead and go in with a mask, set the timer, apply the mask. I mask 1 time a week, usually Sunday nights. We also have a really great olive core peel that's like an exfoliant, and I do that a couple of times a week, and I add that in after my foaming cleanser. Let that set for a while, and then you're gonna go back in, rinse it off, tone again to prep for your serums. Then you're gonna go in with your serums and your elixirs. Now what I like to do is I like to combine a serum and an elixir, and there's a couple things I want to point out here. I have a vitamin C serum. So this I like to use during the day. It has this beautiful red tone to it. It's beautiful. It smells amazing. This I use during the day because it's really good for sun exposure. I'm gonna rub it on my hands, is lightening my hands as I speak. In the mornings, I will mix this with my green retinol, and then sometimes I will add in the Botox in the bottle, the F59. So in the morning, I'm doing F82, F83, and F59. That's kind of my morning go-to. You want to mix a serum with an elixir. What I have found is when you mix a serum and elixir together, it just helps the product to go further. It helps it to just like go on more smoothly. It's not just getting stuck in one spot. So I drop a few drops of each, 2 drops or so of a serum and 2 drops of an elixir into the palm of my hand, and then just rub that into my skin. At nighttime, I love using the corrective elixir, F87. I like the LA Dope elixir at night also because it has the CBD, so it's a really great like calming effect. This is an elixir and this is a serum. And you mix your serum with your elixir because it's gonna help the product to go on more smoothly. Okay, after you do your serums and elixir, you're gonna go in with an eye elixir. Again, this is for the girl that's all in and doing all the things. This is not for everyone. Not everyone has to do this. But this would be the next step. If you have an elixir, you're gonna just drop it, like just a tiny drop on the side of your eye, pat it with your ring finger, let that dry. Then you're gonna go in with a face cream And you're gonna just take the tiniest amount. Honestly, I use like that much for my whole face. So you kind of get used to like the products are very efficient and effective. And so a little bit goes a very, very long way. So just keep that in mind when you're using the products. They're also very rich and highly potent. And finally, you're gonna end it with an eye cream as such, and like even smaller amount on that, like just the tiniest little bit, and you're gonna use your ring fingers to pat it into your skin. So if you don't have all of the things, that's okay. Like if you just start with a cleanser or start with a serum or an elixir and you just have a single product, obviously you can adapt this into your own skincare routine, however you're using that. So maybe you just cleanse and then you do a serum. And obviously you need to be moisturizing. So if you could cleanse, serum, and moisturize or something along those lines, your skin's gonna be the happiest. But I get that some people just really like simple. So if you can just cleanse and moisturize, like you're good. That's totally fine too. I wanted to walk you through the process because I've had so many questions on like what goes first and how do I drink this or how do I mix this or how much do I use? So hopefully that answers your questions on how to get the most out of your Oliveda products. Please let me know if you have any other questions. And I hope you enjoy Olive Tree People and all the products as much as I do.